Algorand value equivalent to 3.3752 rands a coin. The present cost range, 3.3386 3.4116. The earlier day close, 3.3598. The change was plus 0.0154, plus 0.46%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 3.36 rands, high 3.60, low 3.12. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost 3.39 rands, high 3.63, low 3.15. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 3.28 rands, high 3.51, low 3.05. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost 3.36 rands, high 3.60, low 3.12. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost 3.33 rands, high 3.56, low 3.10. In multi-week Algorand conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 3.31 rands, high 3.54, low 3.08. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 3.36 rands, high 3.60, low 3.12. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 3.27 rands, high 3.50, low 3.04. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 3.11 rands, high 3.33, low 2.89. Algorand figure on Friday, May 12, cost 2.82 rands, high 3.02, low 2.62. In about 14 days Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 2.84 rands, high 3.04, low 2.64. Algorand figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 2.62 rands, high 2.80, low 2.44. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 2.66 rands, high 2.85, low 2.47. Algorand figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 2.69 rands, high 2.88, low 2.50. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 2.81 rands, high 3.01, low 2.61. In 3 weeks Algorand figure on Monday, May 22, cost 2.88 rands, high 3.08, low 2.68. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 2.85 rands, high 3.05, low 2.65. Algorand figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost 2.86 rands, high 3.06, low 2.66. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 2.93 rands, high 3.14, low 2.72. Algorand figure on Friday, May 26, cost 2.94 rands, high 3.15, low 2.73. In about a month Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 2.90 rands, high 3.10, low 2.70. Algorand figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost 2.87 rands, high 3.07, low 2.67. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for April 2023. Before all else cost at 4.02 rands. Excessive cost 4.37, while low cost 3.12. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.72. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.36, change for April 16.4%. Algorand figure for May 2023. To start with cost at 3.36 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.63, while low cost 2.44. They found the middle value of cost 3.06. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.80, change for May 16.7%. To start with cost at 2.80 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.03, while low cost 2.34. They found the middle value of cost 2.67. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.52, change for June 10.0%. Algorand gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 2.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.88, while low cost 2.50. They found the middle value of cost 2.65. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.69, change for July 6.7%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 2.69 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.34, while low cost 2.69. They found the middle value of cost 2.96. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 3.12, change for August 16.0%. Algorand gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 3.12 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.12, while low cost 2.44. They found the middle value of cost 2.83. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.62. Change for September 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 2.62 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.62, while low cost 2.05. They found the middle value of cost 2.37. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.20. Change for October 16.0%. Algorand estimate for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at 2.20 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.42, while low cost 2.10. They found the middle value of cost 2.25. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.26. Change for November 2.7%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at 2.26 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.80, while low cost 2.26. They found the middle value of cost 2.49. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.62. Change for December 15.9%. Algorand estimate for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at 2.62 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.62, while low cost 2.16. They found the middle value of cost 2.43. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.32. Change for January 11.5%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at 2.32 rands. Excessive cost 2.71, while low cost 2.32. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.47. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.53. Change for February 9.1%. Algorand conjecture for WAC 2024. Before all else, cost at 2.53 rands. Excessive cost 2.53, while low cost 1.98. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.29. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.13. Change for spring 15.8%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at 2.13 rands. Excessive cost 2.13, while low cost 1.66. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.93. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.79. Change for April 16.0%. ZAR to ALGO conversion scale equivalent to 0.2963 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.2931-0.2995. The earlier days nearby 0.2976. Change for now 0.0013, 0.44%. ZAR to ALGO cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Algorand figure on Monday, May 1, cost 0.298 coins, high 0.321, low 0.278. ZAR to ALGO forecast on Tuesday, May 2,